Hello, English learners. Welcome back to the English Insight Podcast, your cozy place to learn real English through real-life conversations. I'm Daniel, and today we're going to help you sound natural, confident, and comfortable when you talk about money in English.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah. We're really happy you're here with us today because this is one of those situations that happens all the time, but many learners still feel nervous about it.
Sarah, let me ask you something. What are we talking about today? And why is this topic so important for everyday life?
Today, we're learning how to ask prices in English, naturally, politely, and confidently. Not like a textbook, but like real people speak in cafés, shops, and markets.
Exactly. Because one of the biggest problems learners have is not grammar, it's real communication. You walk into a cafe, you want to ask the price, but your brain suddenly freezes.
Yes, and instead of speaking, you just point at the menu and hope everything works out.
We've all been there. But by the end of this episode, you will know exactly what to say, how to say it, and how to keep the conversation going naturally.
So stay with us, listen carefully, repeat with us, and imagine yourself inside the situation. That's where real learning happens.
And if you enjoy learning this way, don't forget to subscribe, like this episode, share it with a friend, and leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.
All right, imagine this. You walk into a small cafe. You can smell fresh coffee, you hear quiet music, and you walk up to the counter.
Now I'm the cafe worker, and Sarah is the customer. Just listen first, then we'll practice together.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
I'd like a latte, please. How much is it?
It's $4.
Great, I'll take it.
Did you hear that question? Very simple, very natural. How much is it?
Let's say that together, slowly. How much is it?
Good. Again. How much is it?
This is the most common way to ask about price. You can use it anywhere. Cafe, store, taxi, market, anywhere.
But sometimes you want to sound a little more polite. Then you can say, how much does this cost?
Repeat after us. How much does this cost?
Now let's make the situation more real. Because in real life, you don't always ask about one thing.
Excuse me, how much is this sandwich?
That one is $5.50.
And how much is the cappuccino?
It's $3. Notice something important. Sarah didn't repeat the full sentence again and again. She didn't say, how much is this? How much is that? How much is the other thing? That sounds robotic.
Instead, we connect the conversation. That's how real English flows.
English is not about perfect sentences. It's about comfortable interaction, small questions, short reactions, natural rhythm.
Now let's try a different situation. A clothing store. Hi, how much is this jacket?
That one is $40.
Oh, okay. Do you have anything cheaper?
That question is powerful. Do you have anything cheaper?
Say it with us. Do you have anything cheaper?
Because asking the price is only step one. Real conversations continue. You compare, you react, you decide.
And don't worry about your accent. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on being clear, calm, and polite.
Confidence grows from using English, not studying it silently.
Now we're going to build a longer conversation. Listen carefully. Imagine you are there.
Welcome. Let me know if you need any help.
Hi, thanks. I'm just looking. Actually, I like this bag. How much is it?
That one is $25.
Okay. And what about this smaller one?
That one is on sale. It's $18.
Oh, that's nice. Is it good quality?
Yes, it's very popular. A lot of customers choose that one. Did you notice? Sarah didn't only ask the price. She asked a follow-up question. That's what makes you sound natural.
When you ask about price, you can continue with simple questions like, is it good quality? Is it new? Is there a discount? These small questions turn a short moment into a real conversation.
Let's practice one of the most useful questions when talking about price. Is there a discount?
Your turn. Say it slowly. Is there a discount?
This is very common in shops, markets, even hotels. And don't worry, it's polite. You are not being rude. You are just asking.
Now imagine a busy market. It's louder, faster, people speak quickly, so your English must become shorter, not more complicated.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, how much are these apples?
They're $3 a kilo.
Okay, I'll take 1 kilo.
That's it. Simple, direct, natural. In busy places, we don't use long sentences.
Many learners think they must say, I would like to inquire about the price of these apples. No one talks like that in daily life.
Real English is, how much are these?
Now we'll do shadowing. Listen and repeat immediately after Daniel. Don't think, just copy the sound.
How much is it?
Repeat. Good. This is how fluency grows, not by memorizing, but by speaking along with real rhythm.
Your brain learns language through imitation. That's why shadowing is powerful. You train your ears, your mouth, and your confidence at the same time.
Now let's connect everything into one natural situation. Listen to the full flow.
Hello, welcome.
Hi, how much is this coffee?
It's $3.
Okay, and how much is the cake?
That one is $4.50.
Do you have anything cheaper?
Yes, this muffin is $2.
Great, I'll take that.
That's a real conversation. No difficult grammar, no complicated words, just clear communication.
And remember, fluency is not about using big words. It's about being comfortable with small ones.
So next time you enter a cafe, a shop, or a market, don't stay silent. Ask the question. Start the conversation.
Thank you for spending this time with us. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking. A little every day.
If you enjoyed learning with us today, subscribe to the English Insight podcast. Like this episode, share it with someone learning English, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you.
Until next time, take care and keep your English moving forward.
See you in the next conversation.